Good afternoon. I'm coming to you from St. Petersburg, Florida. We are here at the St. Petersburg Pier. We haven't been out here since they renovated this a few years ago, so we're going to go check it out and see what's there now compared to how it was before. Come along with us. Let's go make some memories. I don't know how well this is going to show up in camera here. There's a ton of birds up here that got green. Now they're being quiet. I pulled out the camera and they got quiet. So it says Pier Pavilion to the left, Pier Plaza to the left, Spa Beach to the left, Discovery Center restaurants, and the fishing deck straight. I think we're going straight, so let's go see what's out here. We're out here on a weekend. We're out here on a Sunday, so it's a little more crowded than it is during the week. And also the parking here in this parking lot here, which was called Pelican Parking lot, I believe, on the weekends it was $2.50 an hour, so we paid for 2 hours. So we paid $5 for 2 hours. During the week I think it's only $2 an hour. So this says Dock Fords, Pier, the Teak, whatever the heck that is, Driftwood Pier Head Building, all straight. I guess we're going straight. This little area over here is a nice little area in the grass with these umbrellas. If you don't have an umbrella, it's a little hot. This area here, there's some nice little chairs here to sit, overlooking the water there. Yeah, I remember coming out here to the pier, God, probably 7 or 8 years ago. My daughter, I know, was really tiny. She was a baby and was in a stroller last time I was out here. She's about to turn 10, so it's been a while, probably about 8 years. And they've definitely changed it. Just the way it looks right here is different. I remember there used to be some sort of museum out here, and there was a restaurant and like a sports or collectible store that had like I Love Lucy merch and had autographs from different people. And when you're out here walking, as you can see passing me right here, the area I'm in right here is the walking lane going out. There's a walking lane going back on the other side, and this middle lane is for trams only or golf carts. Here's your view of the water. You can see the St. Pete Airport right there, which is not an airport for big commercial aircraft. It's only for smaller private aircraft. Right now I'm wishing I had a hat. My bald head's gonna be getting burned. So the sun is hot. What is this? This is the Tampa Bay Watch Discovery Center. See what this is. It's open from 10 to 6. And throughout the day it looks like they had different shows. 4 o'clock was Peer into the Plankton. Huh. They have little shows, little things you can go to. They cost a couple of dollars, it looks like. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, that's so cute.
That's a cool shirt. It's like the Sea Avengers. That is cool. That is cool. So there's a couple of food trucks out here. This one's called The Move. Maggie on the Move. Not quite sure what they have. And then this one says Big Red Barbecue. As if there was any doubt as to what they served. Barbecue. Nice little statue here. Helicopter going overhead up there. Let's see what's inside this building out here. There's people fishing over here. Just make sure if you're gonna come fishing, you got your saltwater fishing license. I know certain times of the year the state of Florida will waive that where you can fish for free. We don't have to have the license, so keep an eye out for that info. Make sure you're fishing the right way. Pier, Teikai, Teak, and Driftwood Cafe might all be restaurants. Let's see. That's the Driftwood Cafe right there. Oh, that's pretty cool. I guess they were giving examples of doing a rescue by helicopter out here. Just happened to catch the tail end of that. We're taking the elevator from level 1. Level 2 is the Driftwood Cafe. Level 4 is Teak, which I guess is a restaurant. Level 5, Pier Tiki. And the observation deck. We're going to check out the observation deck at least. Level 5.
This floor.
Going down.
Oh, okay.
Don't go down.
Oh, there's a little
Where we were?
tiki guy.
Oh, we were just here. It's just on the other side, correct?
No, we weren't. We're higher.
No, we're higher up. We're higher, dude. We're higher. We weren't, this is above where we were. We were down right on the water's edge. So I'm guessing that's maybe Pier Tiki
Right
with the
there.
little tiki
Right
huts.
there.
Oh, it says it right there. I'm blind. Yeah, this is our view from up here on the 5th floor of the pier. This 5th floor is kind of like just a big giant bar now, it seems. Different than it was before, for sure. Just a view from like about the 3rd level. We got a bunch of equipment set up here because they were doing some kind of show, I guess, out on the water. We missed it. This is your view. All right, guys, so this wraps up our visit out here to St. Petersburg, Florida to see the St. Pete Pier. Just opened up July 6th, 2020 was when they redid the pier. It's definitely a lot nicer than it used to be. It's a lot better than it used to be, but now the building that's out here at the end, it's an observation deck. Like the top level, when you go up there, the top level essentially is just a bar, which there's nothing wrong with that. After 8 p.m. it's 21 and up, just to give you guys a heads up. But yeah, it's St. Pete Pier, newly redone. Can't complain. I'm still out here by the water. I mean, look at this. Can't beat the views, can't beat everything else. But yeah, so hopefully if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also share it with your friends on your other social media. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button right down there. Leave us a comment down below. I try to answer each and every one of you. And as always, we'll see you soon.